Lisa, my name is Scott Walker. I just spoke with Tia and she said it was okay to send over this video for you. By the way, Lisa's a great name. That's the name of my wife. And I am just making this video to show you how I have helped. I'm a digital marketer and I have helped a lot of other auto glass companies steal leads from SafeLight and other local competition. So that's what I'll be going over. I'll be going over your website, Google Ads, and then your Google Business Profile. So for starters, I really like the fact that you guys have been around for 15 years. That means you guys have been, well, actually it's more than 15. It's 20, since 2003. So that's, we need to update your website. But that's really awesome. You've been around for 21 years now. The one thing that I would really recommend for your website, though, is to add more content. And the reason I say that is because Google loves to see content. They want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. And that is like windshield replacement Reno, or windshield repair, or auto glass repair Reno, or in all the other areas as well. Oh, you're in Phoenix, Denver. Cool. But yeah, so like that's one thing. The other thing you could do is if you save your images correctly, instead of it saying this mumbo jumbo right here, you could have the alternate text behind the image because that counts as a buyer intent keyword as well. So I do have a tool I use called Ahrefs. This will show me your analytics and kind of show me where you're setting. The DR and UR is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100, and you want those continuously moving up and balanced. You guys are pretty good on the balance part, but you're at 4 and 5, and that's due to your referring pages and domain. And pretty much those are just backlinks. And what a backlink is, it's when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to stay relevant to your industry and location whenever possible. And it looks like you're being indexed for 79 keywords, and you're getting about 65 people to your website each and every month. So looking at some of the keywords here, windshield replacement Reno, there's 350 searches each month, but you're in the 8th position for that, so like getting up to the 1st, 2nd, or 3rd is really beneficial. Auto glass repair Reno, another 100 searches. You are getting a few searches from each of those. But if you're in the 1st, 2nd, or 3rd position for those type of buyer intent keywords, a lot more people will be going to your website, which grows your revenue as well. So I did just go ahead and look up windshield replacement Reno, and it looks like SafeLight and Precision Auto Glass are the only two that are running Google Ads right here. And so when you look here, you just see replacement. You don't see windshield. And down here it just says auto glass. So there's a few things to get really good click-through rates on your ads. The first one is to make sure to group up your themes, group up your ad groups by themes. And what that means is like windshield replacement and auto glass replacement are two different types of ad groups, so that you could be put in front of the correct one. And then having the search term windshield replacement in your ad somewhere, and then on top of the windshield replacement location, that really improves your click-through rate down here. And then also just like windshield replacement and auto glass replacement should be different, and windshield replacement, windshield repair should be different. So those are just little ways to up your click-through rate. And then to have good conversion rates from your landing page, which your landing page should be a little bit different from your website, mostly because the website is going to be you can look about your company, see what you guys do, all the different things. A landing page should have one function, and that is to contact you. And for a landing page, you always want to have like a click to call right up top, form submit right here, what you do, where you do it right here. If you run any promotions, that should be like its main factor right there. Just so that the search term is going to be the same as what you do down here. And then the click to call and form submits are just easy ways to contact you. The rest of it should be, like trust factors, other call to actions, processes, things like that, and, little informations. But you should never have like a menu up there so that other people, you can just click away. And then I did look this up for you. So like just in Reno, like this is just the city, not like the greater area. There's 390 searches just for windshield replacement. There's another 170 for windshield repair, auto glass repair, windshield replacement near me. So there's literally probably about 1,000 searches just in these like top 10, 15 keywords. And so if you're being put in front of them instead of like with just SafeLight and Precision Auto Glass, if we have the best click-through rates, you guys will have the best conversion rates and generate more revenue that way. And then we move down into the Google Business Profile. And it's totally okay that you're not in the Google Business Profile right now. There are lots of ways to get into this. And for starters, I always recommend making sure your name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet so you don't mislead Google. You could always be getting reviews. I have a little trick to help you with that as well. And we could talk about that in our discovery call. And then adding your name, address, and phone number into things like Yellow Pages and Yelp are beneficial because Google's like a big popularity contest. And by giving out your information to as many people as possible, Google will start to trust you more, and that's not just in your area, but in the surrounding areas as well. And then being in the Google Ads and Google Business Profile, about 70% of traffic stops right here, so the rest goes down into the websites and the organics. And it looks like Fast Glass Inc. is one of your top competitors here. And I think I clicked on something. But looking at their website instead of yours, like, we just need to have a little bit more content and a few other things. But like I said, when you start to outrank those competitors, a percentage of these total volumes are going to start going to your website instead of your competition. And then a percentage of these people going to your website will give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer for you. And just between these top three, 500 searches a month, I mean, that could be anywhere from 20 to 30 new customers a month. Easy if you're ranking for those. So, so Lisa, I really hope that this video is beneficial for you. I look forward to hearing from you, and